Ever plug your phone in and nothing happens? Don't worry. Fixing your Camry's USB port is easier than you think. First, check if your car is in accessory or on mode. Sometimes, the USB port only works when the car is on. Next, try a different cable and device. A bad cable is often the problem, not the port itself. Still not working? Look inside the port for dust or debris. Use a toothpick or a can of air to gently clean it out. If your Camry has more than one USB port, try them all. Sometimes only one port is connected for charging or music. Now check your car's settings. On the touchscreen, look for USB or connection settings. Make sure the port isn't turned off or set to charging only. If nothing helps, check the fuse box. Find the USB or accessory fuse. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Your owner's manual can help you find the right fuse. If the port still won't work, it might need a professional repair. But most times, it's a simple fix. Now you know the easy steps to get your Toyota Camry USB port working again. Save time and stay connected.